You call me an angel. He's been skimming stones. They're perfect where I like to go. At my friend's place, Donna says, down 12-mile road, his voice still echoes in the wind with the breeze. He gives his own beats. He walks bare feet. He smiles and calls me an angel. And again he says, when I ask his name, from here and there, all the same. Life's too short to complain, and the road is long up ahead. Again he says, when I ask his name, from here and there, all the same. Life's too short to complain, and the road is
This is Granite Falls. We've come down a path which is beautifully mapped out for you with fencing and signs and really easy access. Anyone could do this, and it's just magnificent. We've got a perfect sunny day and hardly a breath of breeze. You can hear the song of bird and flowers all out, all through. It's just a gorgeous venue. Our first bushwalk with the Meetup.
Along the Great Divide here, it's
We're so lucky, aren't we? You know, not a person around.
Yes,
Anywhere else in the world, there'd be tourist buses pulled in,
yes.
people selling things. And
dangerous too, because the driver's got to do it in a certain time to get from that or that's just like Avon Dam, isn't it? It's absolutely.
it must really flow when the rains come. Hanging on to whatever you can find, I suppose, to secure your steps. Look at the bird's nest. Look at the bird's nest.
Seriously old plant.
Bird's nest fern. Around about now I'd love to see a lyrebird. steps we go, deep into the rainforest. Sound of birds in the air, lovely and shady and cool. The root system on that tree is winding its way down the hill. Great big old mossy rock in the background.
Look straight up the tree trunk.
How tall is that tree?
It's nice, it's huge. It overhangs almost above it.
Size of those rocks, that's magnificent. Stop when I'm using it. Just hear a whipbird in the distance. That log just sitting up there. Oh, it's a rock. So scenic. Oh, those trees are
That whole signature has just slipped straight down at the top. That's Jarvis Bay, that great big carved out area there is